guys, it's Hannah here and I am back and I am going to go through this gorgeous new planner here. It is brand new and it's so new that it's not even on the Kikki K site. And if you saw my previous video where I unboxed this awesome package from Kikki K, you already heard that I'm a Kikki K Planner Insider and that's why I have access to this collection before anyone else. Which is just amazing and I'm so happy, so thankful, and goodness, all the stuff that Kikki K sent me, I can't believe it. It's amazing. But if you haven't seen that video, you really should watch it to see me go through all the other items and also this awesome diary as well as this big boy, the ultimate paper lovers book. I walk through all of this in that other video and I will link that video up in the corner here. So just click the little eye icon and you will find it. But now I'm just going to dig into this planner. I haven't seen anything. I haven't taken off the plastic, as you can see. Like, this is my first initial reactions to everything. Also, I should probably repeat that yes, this collection is called Life is Wonderful and it's a really pretty collection with this kind of woodsy illustrations, really pretty, also with this kind of orangey reddish color as well as this kind of light peach and, as you can see, purple. Really gorgeous kind of pinkish purple tone. I'm actually just gonna rip off the plastic and get into this already. Alright, this, as you can see, is the A5 sized planner. It is leather, like most Kikki K planners are, and it's a smooth leather. You can see it's not really textured at all, it's just really smooth. And it has gorgeous gold foiling all over the front with the text Life is Wonderful. And on the back here's the foil Kikki K logo and it's plain on the back just like this. And it's so gorgeous. I mean, it's so pretty. The detail is amazing. And here you can see, this is so cool. I think this is the first time for Kikki K. They have a button that's shaped like a heart. Like, they've never had any button shaped like anything except just a round button, I think. This is so cool with a little K, it's a little red heart. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, so opening it up. Let's see. Okay, wow. Look at this red. Like, it's so vibrant. It's kind of like a happy red color, I would say. Okay, so I love this right away that they have a customized notepad that is not just plain. I don't think they really do the plain ones anymore, actually. Okay, so under here we have this as usual. It says that I'm unique because it's a leather planner and handmade and everything. No two are the same. And then we have the zipper right here. So the structure itself is like most Kikki K planners, or at least the newer ones. We have 3 card pockets here. We have a slot for the notepad. And we have a secretarial pocket, as well as a zipper pocket that goes all the way in there. And we also have this pocket at the very back. And this lining inside, it is a textile fabric lining, but as you can see, it's kind of textured. Like, it's not just, I don't know, it feels different than the other linings that I have in my other Kikki K planners. I don't know how to explain. It feels like rougher, like it would hold up better somehow. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out all of these little thingies and open this up. All right, so it also has gold rings, as you can see. Just open them like this and close them like this, like most Kikki K planners. The first divider here is monthly. And then here it says, every moment is a fresh beginning. I love when they have quotes. And this one, here we have labels you can put on the tabs to personalize them. Here we have some stickers. And here's where the monthly starts. Oh, I love this pink. Or, I mean, it's not really pink. It's like it's a purpley pink. Exactly like the planner. So be in love with your life every minute of it. So here starts the monthly inserts, and wow, I guess we have, usually with Kikki K it's 18 months, so I would guess that this is 18. And the next divider is weekly, and it also has this grid pattern on it. And here it says, it all starts with an idea, and no way! It actually comes with weekly inserts? Oh my gosh! This is something I've been wanting for, you know, Kikki K planners for such a long time. This is amazing! Wow! Okay, so you actually get weekly inserts. That's so awesome! Okay, so the third tab is to do, and this says focus on growth. And, oh, sorry. Oh, so these are really cool. So we have these really nice to-dos. It kind of reminds me of the to-do notepads that they have. But these are in like, you know, insert form. That's so cool. So we have a long to-do list and the date and top priorities and for tomorrow and notes and water intake. I love these. Oh, that's so awesome. And then the next one here is blank. The rest of the tabs are blank, as you can see. And this one says, just in case no one's told you today, you are amazing. I love that so much. Oh, okay, so there's nothing here. But here is note paper. And this one says, write it down. And we have some more note paper, just like that. And the last one says, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Oh, that's so cute. And we have here the rest of the note inserts. So we get a lot of note inserts. And then at the back here, we have also these customized notepad. This one is peach with a red butterfly. And we also have the pen loop. And I'm actually gonna put this pen in right away because it matches so well. And yeah, that was all of this planner, guys. This gorgeous purple planner with the gold foiling and little heart button. It's so cute. And oh my goodness, like I said, I love that it comes with all of these inserts. That's just pretty, they're plain, they're easy to use and personalize. Alright guys, so this was everything for this video, this gorgeous planner. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to have a new A5 planner in my life, guys. Like, I haven't got a new A5 planner in a year. This one definitely stands out of my collection, but I just love these gorgeous illustrations on it. I love all things nature. I love being out in nature and in the woods, and this just really reminds me of home. I don't know when this collection is gonna be out yet, but I will definitely keep you updated on that on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me at hannahs_haven_. And you should also follow Kikki K on Instagram because they will probably announce it as well, and subscribe to their newsletter because, you know, they could announce it there as well. If you want to be first, just follow everything. That's my suggestion. And I'm really excited to set this planner up. I will show you the finished product once I'm done, so keep a lookout for that on my channel as well. But now I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also a big thank you to Kikki K, of course, for sending all of this to me. I'm so thankful. But yeah, I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!